Hi, I'm Pug Villalon with Stellar Fishing Tackle. Today we're going to be making a trolling rig. A very simple rig, probably one of the simplest rigs to make. And what this is right here, this is a trolling weight. Actually, this is a 2-ounce trolling weight. Trolling weights are it's the only fishing weight that has a swivel at the top and a swivel at the bottom. And actually these are number 8 gold swivels when you do make these fishing weights. And for this rig, you're going to need a number 4 snap swivel, 2 double barrel crimps. These are 12 millimeter double barrel crimps, a crimping tool, just some scissors, a yardstick, and then right here we have 100-pound test line, which is what I like to make all my rigs out of. This way, it's not like your standard 10 or 15-pound fishing line that you're going to fish with. This one is for the rig, so that way when you do catch a big fish, you're not going to lose it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this fishing line, we're going to measure out to 24 inches for this rig. Just cut it. Make sure it's a nice pair of scissors because it has to be a clean cut. If it's rigidy, it's not going to fit through the swivel. So you're going to put the swivel, you're going to push the fishing line through the double barrel swivel or double barrel crimp, and you're going to take the trolling weight and you're going to put the fat end onto the fishing line, and you're going to loop it back around into the double barrel swivel. Let me see. Okay, you pinch the end and you pull it from the back, and you want to just take out the tension, but don't tighten it too much to where the swivel's not going to be able to rotate. Take your crimping tool, crimp it. Always test your crimps. That one works just fine. Now we're going to put the snap swivel on the end. Same thing, you slide it through one of the sides of the double barrel crimp, push it through the hole, circle it back around, put it into the second side of the double barrel, pinch the end, pull it from the back, take out all the tension, leave a little bit of space here so the swivel can move, crimp it, and right there you've made your trolling rig. Now what a trolling rig is your fishing line comes from up here, and it's exactly like defined. It's for when you troll, when you're just going slowly in a boat, either out in a bay, on a lake, whatever, you're running the fishing line behind, and that's why they call it a trolling weight. And it just spins and it just drags your weight behind your bait because you put your hook on this end, and that right there is a 24-inch trolling rig made to you by Stellar Fishing Tackle. And make sure to visit our site at stellarfishingtackle.com for all your fishing needs, and all of these items are going to be on the description as to what you need to make for this trolling rig. And thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.